Welcome back to Chapter 4, Chemical Calculations, Section 4.9, Volumes of Gases. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to explain how to calculate the volume of a gas at room temperature and pressure from its mass and relative formula mass. So let's examine what is the volume of a gas at room temperature and pressure is exactly. Let's begin by having the following discussion. Do you know the airbags that are found in cars? Of course you know. Having airbags in cars have saved many lives. When a crash takes place, the chemicals in the airbags react together to rapidly give off nitrogen gas, which is N2. The reacting chemicals have to release just the right volume of gas to make the airbag act like a cushion, reducing the damage caused to the occupants of the car. That's why it would save them from their head to be crashing into the hard substances that are in front of them. The designers of the airbag, they can calculate the volume of gas produced from the balanced equation of a reaction. This tells them how many moles of gas are made, as it has been found that equal numbers of moles of any gas occupy the same volume. So, in general, the volume of 1 mole of any gas is 24 decimeter cubed, which is equal to 24,000 centimeter cubed at room temperature and pressure. And the letters R.T.P, they stand for room temperature and pressure. And by room temperature and pressure, we mean at a temperature 20 degrees Celsius and pressure which is 1 atmosphere. So, in general, the molar gas volume, it is equal to 24 decimeter cubed per mole. This is an international scale number for the molar gas volume. And the number of moles of a gas, it's equal to the volume of a gas in decimeter cubed divided by the molar volume, which is here the 24 decimeter cubed. The number of moles of a gas, it's equal to volume of gas in centimeter cubed divided by 24,000 centimeter cubed. You can use the one in decimeter cubed and you can use the one in centimeter cubed depending on the given.